In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Alipay not working on 1688 app. Let's walk through a clear, reliable workflow you can follow from start to finish, and I'll point out common pitfalls as we go. Begin in the 1688 app, open the My Account section labeled Wo Day A, then go into Settings or Shiji, find Payment Settings or the Alipay option, and check that your Alipay is linked. If it shows as not connected, log in and authorize the connection again. This link can expire or break after app updates, so reauthorizing often restores normal payments right away. Next, switch to the Alipay app and go to Me or Account. Make sure your account is fully verified. Complete identity verification and phone number verification if you haven't already. Unverified accounts are frequently blocked on 1688, so this step is essential. Use accurate details that match your bank information to avoid review delays. Now review your payment methods in Alipay. Confirm that your card is active, international payments are enabled, and remove any expired or blocked cards. If you have another card available, try switching to it. Some banks automatically restrict cross-border or online transactions, so enabling that capability in your card settings can prevent declines. While you're in Alipay, open Settings, then Payment Settings, and look for international or cross-border payment. Toggle it on. In some regions, this is off by default, and enabling it can immediately resolve payment errors. If you don't see the option, it may be restricted by region or account type. If things still aren't working, clear the app cache. On Android, for the 1688 app, go to Device Settings, Apps, 1688, Storage, then Clear Cache. On iPhone, the practical route is to delete and reinstall the app. Do the same for Alipay if needed. Clearing cache removes temporary glitches and does not affect your account or orders once you sign back in. Update both the 1688 app and the Alipay app to the latest versions. Outdated builds commonly cause payment failures, and updating can silently fix compatibility issues. If you see messages like 交易存在风险 or 支付失败, open Alipay and complete any security verification prompts. Confirm recent transactions if asked. If you were temporarily restricted, wait up to 24 hours for risk controls to lift before trying again. When everything looks good, test with a low-value item to confirm payments are going through. This small test can also reduce risk flags on new setups. If it's still not working, open the